Now you've seen me use this before, used it quite a bit last year in my videos, but I thought I'd bring you along and show you from scratch. So Blackstone's Press in Sear burger kit. Let's open it right here. Got my knife. I already know what's in here, but this might be new to some of you. Alright, we're going to pull this out. We're going fast and furious because the sun is going down. Alright, so first thing you're going to see in here is a hamburger spatula. So there we go. That's my favorite handle as far as material goes. I don't care for the wood handle, but it has that that plastic type of handle, and of course you see the stainless steel hamburger size, super hamburger size bottom. Alright, let me grab my knife here. Alright, cut. There we go. Comes with a stainless steel spice dredge, a little seasoning bottle, and this is what you would put your favorite seasoning for hamburger. So for me, if I was doing this personally, my trifecta of hamburger seasoning is going to be a granulated garlic, salt, and pepper, and I'd put those in there. So a little garlic or a little seasoning container. Then of course we have I'm cutting this out of here. There we go. We're going. Yikes, stuff's a-flying, everybody. There we go. One more thing to cut. Ah, we're going crazy tonight. We have the Press and Sear burger tool. So if you've never seen this before, it looks like it could be anything from like a shield for Captain America, maybe a thing to give chest compressions, but it's a giant, very heavy duty stainless, thick gauge stainless steel hamburger press. I'm going to show you how we use this, and I'm sorry, I'm looking over at the wrong viewfinder right now. I actually found myself looking in the viewfinder at the beautiful view over the Rocky Mountains tonight. So let me take you over to the griddle and show you what I have devised here. Literally just thought of this in the last 20 minutes. Let's give it a try. All right, starting out with a little squirt of olive and canola mixture. I don't measure it. I literally drop olive and canola in my bottle and just keep it going. Kind of like that Amish friendship bread. Remember that, guys? Those breads where you just keep the batter or the mix going forever. So there we go. And pulled these out of the fridge. Bought them at the market the other day. This is ground chicken, quarter pound ground chicken meatballs. There we go. I've never done this ever with chicken. This could be an epic failure, but I think it's going to be an epic success. That's probably the most I've ever said the word epic in a video. There we go. Next, to use the Press and Sear burger tools, I recommend Blackstone's parchment paper, and not just because I work at Blackstone, because it works very, very well. I've tried regular parchment paper and I wasn't impressed. So here we go. Put that down on top of the patty and press. I usually just go like 5 seconds or so. I guess you can go longer. Booyah. Here we go again. This is real time. We're doing this live to tape style for you here tonight. Chicken smash burgers. Will they work or will they not work? I'm trying to hurry up here. I'm trying to hurry up and smash these so I can season them. Seasoning's going to be trial and error tonight too. I was out shopping today at the sporting goods store and saw a seasoning that I've seen many times in my life, but it's, you know, never bought them before. I worked for Blackstone, and back in the day I used to be sponsored by a bunch of seasoning companies, so I don't buy seasonings anymore, literally maybe one bottle a year. But I picked up some of the Suckle Busters chicken rub, the best in Texas, baby. Here goes nothing, down with the Suckle Busters. This has sugar, salt, and chipotle pepper. Chipotle by itself, not a big fan. But when it's mixed together with a little bit of sugar, oh baby. Smells great, and I taste it a little bit in the kitchen. Can't wait. And of course, I'm running my brand new lights tonight. I love these things. Let's see what we got going on here. I'm gonna let these go for a few more seconds. Let me grab my water. Running and gunning all day today. So, out doing errands, grocery shopping, running errands with the kids. So, got home, the sun's going down, and literally an impromptu dinner. The other day I picked up ground chicken at the grocery store, and I thought, why not? You know, I've been doing ground beef like crazy. Let's switch it up with ground chicken. And then had to go to the sporting goods store to pick up some things. Saw the Suckle Busters chicken rub, and here we are. Let's see what we're dealing with here. Booyah, right there. Let me zoom in so you can see these. I forgot what order I did these in, so hopefully, yeah, there we go. Hopefully, they're looking impressive. I like the way those look. So far, I'm thinking the chicken smash burger is a good idea. And I do like it bold, so I'm gonna put a little bit on the second side. So I'm going 100% live here with the exception of moving the cameras around. Sharp cheddar cheese. I like my cheddar the same way I like my knives, extra sharp. Yeah. Living the life, just hanging out here in Monument, Colorado, 7,300 feet above sea level, working for Blackstone, making chicken smash burgers, first time ever. So if you want to expedite melting that cheese, we have a hood here on the range top. I got some water, a little bit of water or an ice cube, and close that lid. Close that hood, I should say. People always ask me questions about the lids. These are hoods, not lids. Got a little bit of, is that a flake of dust on my, something on my camera screen. There we go. All right, come on. Sneak. Ah! There we go, look at that. No camera trickery at all. That is a delicious looking cheese skirt right there. Go ahead and move these around so I have time to put, or a place rather, to put my buns on there. There we go. Buns. All right, here we go. I'm going with the ballpark tailgater crostinis. So you could butter your buns, and a lot of times I butter my buns, but you don't have to. Of course, we have natural oils here on the griddle top, so we're just going to take advantage of that tonight. I'm hoping it's a success. I'm actually thinking of this as a fun challenge. Maybe I should start doing more of these in the future. A one-off video. It's kind of fun. I take great pride, I guess, in being able to just throw things together without a plan. So that's what we got going on right here. Get to live out my 80s drumming fantasy, right? He's a maniac. That was Michael Cimbello. You guys remember that song from the 80s? That's what we're dealing with. I don't know if you can see it right now. Kind of hard to get white things. There's a good one right there. Kind of hard to get white things to show up in some camera angles. Gorgeous view over the mountains tonight, huh? All right, let's pull those buns. They are toasted just the way I want. You can see that right there. So got a nice crunch. Let's pull those off. Well, when you toast the bread on the Blackstone, what's nice about it is you end up with a crunch. You bite into it, you get a crunch, but it's still bread. It's still moist on the inside. So that's what I love, and that's what a lot of people love. You're not burning these. There's no flare-ups with open flames or anything like that. So toasting bread on the griddle is great. I know that chicken is done at the same time. It's ground chicken. We've seared it up. I'm not concerned with drying it out, but we need to pull it off now. Let's get going. These chicken smash burger patties, Suckle Busters chicken rub, and sharp cheddar cheese. These are looking really good. I'm really excited to taste the Suckle Busters on the meat because, ooh, that one looks good. Tasted really good when I tasted it in the chicken. I tasted it in the chicken. I tasted it. Where did I taste it? In the kitchen. There we go. Not the chicken. See, and at least you know that these videos aren't rehearsed or faked in any way, because I went to show you the brand new Blackstone spatula that was in the hamburger kit, the smash burger kit, and I forgot to actually use it. So there you go. See, this is not scripted at all. Grab a bun over here. Woocha! Mayo on the heel. I've used it all. Hellman's, Miracle Whip, Duke's. I'm not blown away by Duke's like other people. So, you know, hey, maybe eventually. Let's see, a bed of ice cold shredded lettuce on the bottom. Let me find my spatula right over here. There we go. Hopefully you can see that. Yeah, look at that. Chicken. Knocked my lettuce off. Let me rebuild my sandwich so it looks good. Well, better, I guess. This is real time. Is this the real life or is this just fantasy? So make sure you check out that brand new Griddle shirt, which is a spoof of Queen, coming up real soon. Let's see what else. I want to go with, you know, I'm always sauteing my onions, right? We always have to saute them. We always have to have everything sauteed. But no. We're going to go with ice cold red onion on top. And, of course, some Texas sauce. I don't know if you can see that or not. Pull that out of the fridge. We have a Rudy's here in town, so why not just a little Rudy's sauce, since we're going with a Texas type of theme here. So that's Rudy's sissy sauce. Take a look at that. I have to get inside and feed the family. Let me cleanse my palate first. That fresh red onion, cold red onion. I'm already excited about that. You know, you saute onions like 100 times in a row. It's nothing like getting an ice cold, crunchy, fresh onion. Let's give it a try. Alright friends, I don't need to wax philosophical. That is all that and a bag of chips. So heck, I think I might try to do some more of that in the future. Maybe throw in a pork smash burger, a chicken smash burger, just see where it leads me, but I'm liking that a lot. What did I call that? The Texas barbecue chicken smash burger, something like that. Whatever I said earlier in the video. So thanks for watching, everybody. This is really delicious. I need to go in and feed the family. The sun's going down, by the way. Can you see that back there? Front range of the Rockies, baby. There's nothing like it. Stay safe. And until next time, this is Todd. I'm saying praise the Lord and pass the Texas barbecue chicken smash burger, the chicken smash burger, the smash burger. Oh yeah, and you can buy the smash burger kit at Walmart, walmart.com. Check us out, blackstoneproducts.com.